Gabrielle Vickery and I'm the owner of the Arthouse Oasis. I'm an illustrator and artist and I'm here to talk to you about my brand new online art course. I've designed this art course with complete beginners in mind. These step-by-step classes are easy to follow and we all create beautiful drawings and paintings together. People often say that they're bad at art or they think they'll be rubbish at art, therefore it puts them off, they don't even try. They're amazed that they've been able to create a beautiful drawing or a beautiful painting from start to finish and it looks fantastic. We'll be drawing a whole range of subjects. There'll be animals and people and landscapes. The list will be endless. We'll go through the whole process, the prep work, the outlines, the painting and the finishing. We'll go through the whole thing from start to finish, one step at a time. You can do it whenever suits you, so you can do it all at once in one day or you can break it up into smaller chunks. What you need to remember about art is that there are no rules and there is no right and wrong. It's just about having the confidence to let go, have a go, and see where it takes you. You can totally do it on your own. Alternatively, it's a great thing to do with friends and family. It's a wonderful way to connect together online. I hope that's answered some of your questions. So take some time out for you and let's create some amazing art together. I'll see you soon. Bye.